Making cornbread.
Cornbread mix.
That's cornbread mix?
Mm-hmm.
I thought they came in dough.
It will become dough.
You're making the mix.
Oh, I am?
We're making cornbread mix right now.
Oh, okay. I thought they came in like cinnamon rolls.
No.
Okay, take trash back. Alright, I need a fork.
A what?
A fork.
I don't think we have any pigs outside.
A what?
A fork, not a pork.
One fork. Down, over. Second shove, third shove. Down, over. There you go. Now we'll stir this bad boy together. Yay! Where you at? Oh, okay. Hey, stir. Making our cornbread, stirring.
Oh, it's like pancakes.
Yep, that's it. Cornbread mix. Yep. Not like my
Yellow.
previous all cornbread I used to have when I was younger.
It's yellow.
Yeah, it's called corn. That's what corn is yellow. This is made from real corn.
Yes, it's ground corn, Isaiah.
And they put it in flour to make the biscuits. And that's all cornbread is a biscuit. A lot of people cook it in an iron skillet.
Mm-hmm.
People down south, they put this whole mix in an iron skillet and bake it.
It has no smell.
Mm-hmm.
No, it has no smell.
So like
It will. It's sweet cornbread.
corn. Like corn on the cob.
So it has like sweet corn in it.
Mm-hmm.
You have smoky hot honey butter.
We have to put butter in it?
No, we can't if you want to. We're not going to.
Oh, okay. I was like, we have to get butter in it too?
Yep. People eat this stuff with beans.
Mm-hmm. Soup, beans, and cornbread's the best.
Yeah, that's the study stuff right there. And you want to make sure you get it all blended together. Make sure you don't have any batter that's not stirred in your egg. You want to make sure the egg never got busted and stirred in. So you gotta stir. Stir for about, blend in your spoon batter into muffin cups. Do you know what the muffin cups are?
Is that cup that's a muffin?
Yeah, they look like little cupcake holders.
Toby, get down.
You know
We
what cupcake holders are at?
We don't have any.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, that, whatever that thing's called, that pickle thing.
They're there.
Pickle pan thing.
So we have to clean that out eventually too. Then they gotta be washed because I don't know how clean they are. It's that one right there on the second shelf with the cups in it.
They are clean.
Oh, they are?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
They'll need rinsed
They're
out,
rinsed
but
too.
they're clean.
Yeah, we're gonna use them.
Yeah, just kind of rinse it out, Isaiah.